Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn about scalar triple product. The scalar triple product is denoted as A vector dot within bracket B vector cross C vector, or it can be taken as within bracket A vector cross B vector dot C vector. And here we observe that there are three vectors A, B, C, and the bracket is always cross product because that gives a single vector. And finally we take dot product between two vectors, so that dot product always gives a number, that is a scalar. So that is why we call it as scalar triple product. And this can be taken within bracket like this, bracket of A vector, B vector, C vector, and we say that it's a box product of A, B, C. And the formula is determinant first row A vector numbers, that is A1, A2, A3. Second row B vector numbers, that is B1, B2, B3. Third row C vector numbers, that is C1, C2, C3. The geometrical meaning of scalar triple product is the volume of this shape. This shape is parallelepiped, that is the three dimension of parallelogram. Here the three vectors A, B, C are the coterminous edges. For example, from this point we can take this as A vector, and this is B vector, and this is C vector. So like that, from the same point we take the three vectors on the edges of the parallelepiped. Now we have the result. This box of ABC can be taken as box of BCA and also box of CAB. This is nothing but the cyclic order, that is 1 2 3 equal to 2 3 1 equal to 3 1 2. And next important condition is coplanar implies box product equal to 0. So the meaning of this is that if the volume of this parallelepiped is 0, then the vectors are coplanar. Now let us see the problems. Find the volume of the parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are represented by the vectors minus 6i plus 14j plus 10k, 14i minus 10j minus 6k, and 2i plus 4j minus 2k. Here we take the first vector as A vector, second vector B vector, and third vector C vector. We have to find box product of A, B, C, that is equal to determinant first row A vector numbers, that is minus 6, 14, 10. Second row B vector numbers, that is 14, minus 10, minus 6. Third row C vector numbers, that is 2, 4, minus 2. Now we have to expand the determinant. This is equal to minus 6 into right multiply minus left multiply, that is 20 plus 24, minus 14 into minus 28 plus 12 plus 10 into 56 plus 20. This is equal to minus 6 into adding this 44, minus 14 into adding this minus 16, plus 10 into adding this 76. So this is equal to, multiply this first number minus 264, multiply next number minus into minus plus 224, plus multiply next number 760. So now this is equal to 720. And the result for this volume of parallelepiped is modulus of box product ABC. So here we have got the answer 720. Substituting this value here, this is equal to modulus of 720. Modulus means take positive only. Already it is positive. So the answer is equal to 720 cubic units. And we know that finally the volume should be positive. So that is why we have the result like this, modulus of box product ABC. Next problem, show that the vectors I plus 2j minus 3k, 2i minus j plus 2k and 3i plus j minus k are coplanar. Take the given vectors A vector, B vector, C vector. Now we have to prove that the vectors are coplanar. That means the box product should be 0. So let us find the box product of A, B, C. That is equal to determinant first row A vector numbers 1, 2, minus 3. Second row B vector numbers, that is 2, minus 1, 2. Third row C vector numbers, that is 3, 1, minus 1. Now expand the determinant. We have to get the answer 0. Then only it's coplanar. And here straight away we can write equal to 0 using the property R3 is identical to R1 plus R2. So adding this first row and second row, we get the third row. Therefore the value of the determinant is 0. You can check here, this 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So here the third row is identical to first row plus second row. That is why the value of the determinant is 0. If we expand the determinant also, we get 0 only. That is also correct. Therefore, the three given vectors are coplanar. Next problem, if 2i minus j plus 3k, 3i plus 2j plus k, I plus mj plus 4k are coplanar, find the value of m. Here take the first vector as A vector and second vector B vector and third vector C vector. Given the vectors are coplanar. So coplanar implies the formula is box product of ABC equal to 0. That is determinant equal to 0. Determinant first row A vector numbers 2, minus 1, 3. Second row B vector numbers 3, 2, 1. Third row C vector numbers 1, m, 4. So as per the formula, this is equal to 0. Now expanding the determinant along the first row, we get 2 into 8 minus m. Minus of minus plus 1 into 12 minus 1 plus 3 into 3m minus 2 equal to 0. Simplify, we can get the value of m. So this is multiply 2 inside the bracket, 16 minus 2m plus 12 minus 1, 11 plus multiply 3 inside the bracket, 9m minus 6 equal to 0. Now minus 2m plus 9m is 7m. Add the constants. 16 minus 6 is 10. 10 plus 11, 21 equal to 0. So this implies 7m equal to minus 21. that is m equal to minus 3. This is the answer. Thanks for watching.